The road is long. Where the hell is the boat launch? All right, just kidding. I know where the boat launch is. And I know I'm tone deaf. Whatever. I'm going to try this again. It's windy. It's kind of actually not the greatest of nights. Weather's all jacked up. What had been dead calm and swampy is now super windy. Not really great conditions, but hey, again, you don't get to choose when you get the free time. So here we go. Got one. Could be a smallie. I don't know. Pike. Pike. Got a pike. Okay, let me back up. Right where I thought there'd be a fish, there was a fish. So that was pretty dope. You know, when you catch a fish where there should be a fish. I like that. All right, let me, I know you're not happy. You shouldn't be. If you're happy, you're kind of sick. You'd be kind of a sick weirdo. Okay, so let's see who you are. Let's see who you are, Pike. All right, come here. There he is. Decent fish. And a little attitude at the end. Let's go. Love that.